If you want to set up Fingerprint with Screen Protector on a Google Pixel 11, what you need to do is you need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, you want to scroll down a little bit, and then here you should be able to find Security and Privacy. Now in here, in Security and Privacy, you want to go to Device Unlock, and over here we're gonna choose the Fingerprint option. And there we go, use your screen lock password in order to continue. Now in my case, I didn't set up the fingerprint yet, so I just need to scroll all the way down and tap on I agree. And now before I start, I have the option to set up with Screen Protector. If you have a QR code on the Screen Protector packaging, you can scan this QR code in order to proceed. If you don't have any QR code, then you can just use no QR code in here and then press got it. And then you should be able to set up your fingerprint. So of course you want to touch the sensor over here with your finger, and then once you feel a little vibration, a little bit of feedback, then you can lift your finger and then you can place it again. And of course you want to you need to try to scan as much of your finger as possible. You can also read over here at the top what ideally you want to do now. So for example, right now I need to touch the right edge, so let's do so, and let's do this several times from different angles. And I'm gonna also use my left edge, I'm gonna use the tip as well, just to make sure that my whole finger is going to work no matter how I place it on the sensor. And there we go, we are now done. Leave a like and subscribe.